On our lifestyle property, we have a minor dwelling.
And my parents live in it. Now they have asked me to come and project manage and interior design their renovation.
I think more, they didn't have a say in it.
Yeah, self-imposed.
Self-imposed, Alice imposed. So there's a restriction on how big the footprint of the house can be. It's already at that maximum, so the house cannot be any bigger. And so Brian and Shona have had to adjust how they live.
So we're going to take you through a tour of the little house and let you know what our plans are. With the kitchen, there are some important things that we need to add, which is a dishwasher. We want to extend this out just a smidge to get in a little bit more cabinetry. We're thinking about getting rid of the window and putting in some wall cabinets. And we're going to turn around the pantry and basically create this whole space to be a kitchen / laundry. So the kitchen kind of feels bigger, even though we're not changing the floor plan.
The bathroom, one of the key areas that Alice's parents want to get upgraded. The old shower over the bath, they're not a fan. And it's lacking a bit of storage. So we're going to get rid of the bath, just put a level entry shower in, nice vanity, tile it, and make this a really nice space.
This is the master bedroom, and she's a bit tight. We've got a queen bed and 2 bedside tables, a single wardrobe, and a little bit of room for storage. So when we renovate in this space, we're going to be trying to utilize every inch to create some storage solutions and as well draw the eye to this beautiful view.
And this is the living space. Voila!
Here it is, dining here, kitchen here. I mean, everything's in one place.
It's a great space. It's got some easterly views, northerly sunlight coming in, but it's just, I don't know, it just needs a bit of a lift. It needs a lift.
The design brief from my parents is no white.
No white.
That's kind of the rule. As you can see from the couch, fan of colour in this family. So we are going to go bold.
So our plan to get some more living space is actually to put in some French doors here. This is north, and put a big deck out on this side of the house. That means this open plan living area will flow outside and kind of be connected to this outside area. But then there'll be space for a big dining table. It's going to be covered. It's going to take in these great views, and it will just be an awesome addition to the lifestyle.